welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Reza, and this vlog is all about unboxing gifts for Christmas and New Year. And plus with a twist, I will answer the questions that my friend give. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so let's start with the question and answer plus with a twist, unboxing the gifts that I received from Christmas and New Year. Questions is came from Chafanis Colahao. His question was on what was my most memorable experience being a student and why. So my most memorable experience that being a student is traveling Cebu with my schoolmates, with my teachers and friends. So ngano kato akong most experience being a student kay dili ka kanang you will enjoy with together with them, and no one will tell you that kanang you should behave, you should not shout, and you should kanang be matured. So kani siya sa Cebu is I am matured, but I experienced a lot being a kid, childhood. Nibalik ko baka childhood, guys. So let's go to came from Diverly Ninyo. So, yung question is dialect question. So, I will be answering this with a dialect and with the English, with the Taglish, okay? So, her question was, ngano buutan ko and ngano mutabang ko bisag dili kadugo. So, ngano daw buutan ko o ngano mutabang ko bisag dili kadugo. Ngano buutan ko because my mother and my father or my siblings or my cousins is like that. So that is my goal, that I will be a good daughter or a good other people, so that you will be appreciated, or you should, oh my god, you will be appreciated, and bisag dili kadugo, you should help them with a purpose or without a purpose. Okay, if you have problem, they will help you too. So bisag dili kadugo. So let's go to now. Number 3 is came from JJ Hinlo, my friend, my special someone. So her third question is, kanus amin nakaila o ngano daw kamao ko mo dala og relationship o kamao ko mo sabot og mo care sa isa ka tao, sa isa ka relasyon. So kanus amin nakaila. So kami ni JJ Hilo nakaila mi sa my father's place, Katibian Mohol, Kaswagan, Norte. Maybe around 2015, 2016, I forgot the year and the date. So maybe like that. So asa mi nakaila, ngano mi nakaila. So nakaila mi through text, and Gigi Hinlo is like go to my house and court me, and my father is in the house, so he do that for me. So ayang question, the second question niya is, ngano kamao ko mo dala og relationship plus ngano mo kamao ko mo sabot o caring sad ko. Nganong kamao ko mo dala og relationship before musod ko og relationship, I will be matured ko sa mga challenges na moabot sa inyong partner, and ngano kanang musabot ko o caring ko. Musabot ko if if that is important to you, I will understand and understand and understand. If it is not important, I will not understand. So ngano kamao ko mo sabot because my mind and my soul and me is a matured person. I am a matured person. And why I am caring? Because I like to care someone or concern someone because they are important to me. So let's go to number 4. 4 4 and 5 is came from Junizel Maramba. The Junizel Maramba question is, ikaw ba nibiya or ikaw gibiyaan? So about ni sa love. Ako gibiyaan. Last April, I think, gibiyaan ko for something, a reason. Di ko maingon unsay rason. Ako gibiyaan. Maybe I have fault. Maybe I'm not good for him. Maybe I have fault. So ako na ko sa niya pero ako gibiyaan. Why ako kapunay gibiyaan? Maybe I'm not yet be perfect partner for him. So let's number 6 is came from Mera Angeli Salem. So her question is, how many exes that I have? So my exes is honestly my exes is 12, but the longest relationship that I have, I don't know na. So my longest relationship for me is yung taga-Antiquera. Yeah, taga-Antiquera siya. Pero di ko maingon uusingan. Okay? Ang year na mo ang longest year na mo is 1 year and 2 months. Okay? Last question, Hari Dahan. So sa among story, unsay inyong story ngano naka in love mong duha? So among story sa akong past relationship is February 16. The HNU has a celebration that is intramurals or foundation sa school. Ako siya gi-invite sa concert. Isa concert sa school. Then mo na to, sige mig-chat. Then pagkita na mo pag February 16, after ng time nagkailami. Ngano in love mong duha. I don't know nga ngano in love ko. Ako ngano ni love ko niya. He is so kind. And lahi siya sa uban laki. And wako kay baog ngano in love siya nako. Okay? I will not answer that because he will answer that. So now let's move on to gifts. So first gift came from Memo. This came from my ate. The brand of the t-shirt is Memo. So thank you for the gift. And next, also my sister gave this Define blend para kilay. This one. Para kilay, look at. Para kilay. So, defend. So, sorry. Basta, bibilin ni siya na brand. So, bibilin. Muna siya, guys. Bibilin, okay? So, muna na siya. And with a ring light, my mother gave this. Also, kilay. It's called the brand is Bibilin. It's called Fashion Bro. And na siya other one, she gave me pants. That is for me, this one. And my sister also gave 500 with the lipstick. This one. And I get on Christmas party side of my mother, I received 470 this one. So that's all. I'll mingon ko sa ni hatag sa gift. Thank you very much. And also I forgot pala. I received gifts from my manita. It's black, this one. Wait, guys, sorry. This one. Sorry for that. That's my sister's cabinet. This one. Thank you. This is my manita is it came from my manita name, Marie Dano. Thank you for this. And also thank you for all the gifts that I received from Christmas, New Year. Thank you so much. And that's all. Thank you.
Sa year 2000, no? Kaya, bisan daw gawa na to ni Giplano, gawa na to tuyo pero iabot nga niya sa biyahe. No, kaya sa itong galitson, ipugwa ni mo yun. So, naagi ako, itong napog nga na, so, na dyan nga to ang limo karon. No, dyan nga line, no? So, bisan to daw po ang hinatong ang sabot mo na inganira ito ang naabot.